Someone recently asked me, is flash fill and autofill exactly the same? The answer is no, they are not. Flash fill automatically fills the value based on pattern it identifies in your data. Let me show you what I mean by this. Consider this blue table here with first name and last name, and I'm trying to create a full name by concatenating the first name and the last name like that. What you do is you type the first name followed by last name, and after that select the cell that you just entered, right click on this handle and drag it to the very last row like this. And from the context menu, you select flash fill. What it does is that it automatically combines the first name and the last name without the need of a formula. Let's look at the two name, and you're trying to split two names into first name and last name like this, like coffee mug. You'd enter the first name, or rather word, and then enter the word mug like that, and you press Ctrl E right below coffee. It'll automatically fill up for you. And then under the last word on this coffee mug, you press Ctrl E and you automatically fill up the last word for you based on what you have just entered. It identifies the pattern of your data and fills up the rest of the data for you. On the flip side, autofill populates a series or fills up a range of cells based on specific pattern or sequences. Let me explain. You have 1 and 2, the next number is obviously 3. So if you select the two numbers like this on this handler, left click and you drag, it naturally adds the number together and gives you a sequence of number. Likewise, in January, the month, hold this, left click on this and drag it all the way down. It automatically fills up for you. This is what autofill does. And the day of the week, same thing. And even dates, you left click on this handler here and it'll fill up nicely for you. But for words, it looks for repetition, a series of repetition. Like say you have math science, the next one is math science. It goes like that. But if you have a single word like this, it's gonna repeat the same word multiple times when you drag like that.